Welcome to Chayu Expert TV, a place where you come to learn business principles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Today's topic is on how to write a business plan. Before we go right into the topic, I would like to define what a business plan is. A business plan is a formal written document containing business goals, the methods on how these goals can be attained, and the time frame within which these goals need to be achieved. A business plan is an overwhelming task. However, it can be simplified. There are steps and rules that will make it easier. Number one is to keep your writing short. You keep your writing short by summarizing as much as possible to make your plan clear, keep you organized, and enable your audience understand what you're writing. Number two, make sure everything you're writing is relevant. Irrelevant information makes your business idea hard to understand. Get rid of the irrelevant information that doesn't support what you're trying to do. 3. Check your grammar and spelling. Imagine you giving your business plan to an external party like a seed angel or a venture capitalist and they see errors. Don't let this happen as you could lose credibility. Number 4, create a simple mission statement. So what is the purpose of your business? It could be to teach business principles through the making of short videos. Your mission statement should explain the overall purpose of your business. Number 5, set SMART objectives. By SMART objective, I mean make sure your business plan is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic or relevant, and time bound, as in it has a deadline. So set SMART objective. When you set SMART objective, you're trying to make known what you're trying to achieve across the business in individual areas. Examples of SMART objectives could be that you want to achieve a 25% net profit by the 30th of June. Or you might want to generate 35% revenue from online sales before the 30th of December. Or it might just be as simple as you want to recruit new sales people to your sales team by the beginning of January. Number 6, state how you will get from where you are to where you want to be. How are you going to achieve your business objectives? You need to create a way for your business to get from where you are to where you want to be. Number 7, create a realistic timeline. The T in the SMART objectives is for setting a time to achieve the objectives, which is the deadline. However, the T in this timeline is setting a realistic timeline where you are making sure the deadline is realistic and your objectives can be fully met during that time that you have set for yourself. Can your objective be fully met during the time? If you say 3 months, can your objective be set and be fully met between these 3 months? Number 8, it is important that your formatting is consistent throughout. It is important you create your business plan using appropriate tools. We are going to see what I mean by appropriate tools as we go on. Number 9, Use easily editable tools. Your initial creation must be in Word, OpenOffice, or Google Docs because they are easily editable. This is what I mean by appropriate tools. Number 10. Use a consistent team throughout. Make sure your team is consistent throughout the writing of your business plan. Make sure your font, which is name or size, color, or design features are consistent throughout. Number 11. Use Excel for structures. To create, update a clear structure and give a good overview of your business plan, you need to use Excel to give a proper structure. Number 12. Create your business plan in PDF format to give to external audiences. So, just make sure you export your business plan file to PDF to give copies to external parties or audiences who will be working with you. Number 13, use PowerPoint or Keynote for presentations. To make a presentation of your business plan, create a PowerPoint version and make sure each page of your PowerPoint only makes one key point. Number 14 is keep your business plan updated at all times. You keep your business plan up to date as time goes by and as your circumstances and objectives change. Your business plan should be kept up to date at all times. Doing this will help you keep track of where you started from and where you are at, how you have moved from A to B. Number 15. Use software such as Asana, Trello, or LifePlan. Word and Excel are sufficient tools to use to create your business plan. But you can also use software such as Asana, Trello, and LifePlan. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell button, and you get notified. Thank you.